Hi, Guy. Hi, Simon. Hi, Figaro. What's going on, huh? Did I clean your cage? Whoa, somebody went off on a rocket. Hi. Oh my god, it's a camera. Figaro. Stop moving. Oh, there he goes on the wheel. Not gonna run on it? Okay. Oh, digging. Where's your brother, huh? Is he hiding in his igloo? Simon. He's like, whatever. Screw you. Hi. Oop, there he is. Hi, Simon. I can never get you two to stand still together. Okay, more digging. The exciting life of a gerbil.